Now, while Target is still Mecca, let me tell you, the Dollar Tree is coming in hot with some great things for just $1. Seriously, I left the dollar store under $30. Who's ever left Target under $30? Welcome back, or hi if you're new here. My name is Trina, and on this channel I'm creating videos to just help you as a mom simplify and organize motherhood so you can finally enjoy being a mom again. Because let's be real, being a mom is #surviving. Now, while I do love a good Target shopping trip, sometimes Target can get a little bit pricey. I mean, give me a hands up emoji down in the comments if you've ever left Target under $50, right? So I went down the rabbit hole here on YouTube looking at all these amazing Dollar Tree hauls, and I thought, I'm gonna try that for myself. I wanna start getting my house organized in 2019. That's one of my goals and one of the things that I'm going to be sharing more here on my channel with you. So if you want to see more on how to organize and simplify your house, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit that bell notification so you know when one comes out. But that is one of my goals, to get things more organized, and I don't want to spend hundreds of dollars on organization things. So I headed to the Dollar Tree to see what I could find, and let me tell you, I struck gold. Now, a lot of things that I did buy today, I am going to be using in new videos that I'm creating for this channel, so I can't wait for you to see what I bought and then how I actually use them. So one of my first tasks in my house to organize is my office, my home office, because I really spend a lot of my time there. I work every Monday through Thursday in there, and things are getting pretty bad in there. One of the things I really hate about those desk or drawer organizers is that they slip around or they don't stay in place, and Dollar Tree had the solution. The first thing that I found at the Dollar Tree were these little long bins, I guess you want to call them bins, and they have feet on the bottom, so they're going to stick when I put them in. I'm hoping to use these in my office, in my desk, to keep my pens or washi tape, or figuring out what to use this in, and I bought 2 of these for just $2. Now, I totally fell in love with these things, so I bought them in just about every size they had. So here's a smaller size. You can see the difference between the two. I have a long desk drawer, and I also have 2 shorter desk drawers, so I'm hoping that will fit better in the shorter desk drawers, and this will fit better in the longer desk drawers. Paper clips, Post-its. I'm a huge Post-it person. So those are the things I'm thinking about putting in here. And I'm also thinking about using some of these, going back to the Dollar Tree and putting some of these in my bathroom drawers and also in my kitchen. So I can't wait to see how they work out in my desk first, and then go back and buy some more. These little containers were super cool because these are going to be perfect for those little things or those binder clip type things. I think these are going to be really great too in the bathroom for hair ties and hair clips. Me and my daughter, you know, obviously have a collection of hair ties and clips. I am really excited about finding these guys right here. Next thing that I found was this clear plastic one. I was hoping to get clear ones instead of the white ones, but I was really excited about the foot on those so that they wouldn't slip. This, as you can see, doesn't have a foot. I know I bought some of these type desk organizations from Target before, and they tend to slide around, and so I'm not sure how well these will do. I think if I can find a tight spot for them, or if I can put this in the desk and then kind of block it in with some of these so it doesn't slip around, that might be the solution. And this was just like a 3-section organizer, again, to put potentially hair ties, maybe for the bathroom, or Q-tips, or I don't know. I'm just ready to get my life organized. Now, I'm not 100% sure what I'm going to be using with these, but these cute little baskets, they came in a pack of 3. Again, if everything can have its place, instead of me just throwing it into the desk and it going all over the place, if I can have specific places to stick things, whether it may be my lapel mic or my camera batteries or my camera cards, again, it's all going to be in one place instead of scattered throughout the desk drawer. So again, watch that desk organization video to see what I actually do with these and how they work. The next thing isn't so much organization themed, but it was something I saw and something I needed. So it was this bucket. The other day I had gone down to the basement to clean up the floor, and my husband just had a bucket that was in the garage, and it had cobwebs and spiders, and I don't do spiders. And so I wasn't very happy that the only bucket we had in the house came from the garage. So I bought 2 of these, and what I plan to do is I'm going to keep one of these obviously in the basement. We just have concrete floors down there, so to scrub that up, clean it using this, and then also keeping it upstairs here as a bucket to, you know, clean the bathroom floors, clean the showers, so that way we have buckets on each level of the house and not have to worry about dragging a bucket up and down the steps. Plus, this was a kind of matte black looking bucket, and as you can see in my house, I tend to avoid a lot of colors, and so it just fit aesthetically in my house. All right, this last item I saw at the first Dollar Tree that I went to, and they were all sold out. So yes, I went to a second Dollar Tree to find these, and I was so glad because I can't wait to bust into these and use these in the next video that I'm doing. So it's these canvas totes. Like, you'll see these at Target. They're usually $5, $10, $15. They were $1 at the Dollar Tree. So you see they just have like the little handles here. You pull them out. I actually will open this. So they're not like super fancy, but you know what? I will be able to throw the Legos in here. I will be able to throw the blocks in here, DVDs, and so it's just a lot easier for me to clean up if specific toys have their bins, and we can slide them into the cabinet and it's all done. Again, I went to $2 store trees to find the black ones. They had a lot of the brown colored ones, but the black ones are particularly difficult for me to find where I'm at. I want to hear from you. What are you planning to organize here? The new year is right around the corner. I know a lot of us have goals and resolutions to get more organized. So what's the first room in your house you're planning to organize in 2019? Like I said, I am jumping over to my office right now to go organize that. Then I'm going down to the playroom. So those are kind of my 2 big items. So I want to hear from you down in the comments. What are you organizing first? Don't forget, if you want to see what kind of planner that I'm using and how I get my schedule figured out so that I can manage all of this, click the video that's on your screen right now, and don't forget to subscribe for new videos every Saturday on how to organize and finally simplify your life. Thanks for watching. Bye.